You gonna take it?
Yeah. I want to see him twerking.
Zoom in on it. Well, I ain't gonna show them the picture that he's twerking.
Huh. He's twerking.
Come on.
He's twerking.
Are you gonna take a picture or not?
I'm videotaping it.
Oh, you're recording it?
Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know. Should have said something. He's my baby.
He's twerking. Baby. 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 He's still doing the twerk.
Yeah? You got him rocking back and forth. Is that what you call the twerk?
Yeah. Try to get him out and see if he's
not gonna twerk if he's not at my collar. He lays in the collar and he rocks back and forth. See him? He's running his head back and forth. There he goes. Hi, handsome.
baby. Baby.
Hi, baby. 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 Is that George's head? Hi. Baby. Baby.
Baby, 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 oh, my baby, 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 oh. So he does any twerking.
He only twerks when he's laying in my collar, you know? It's really weird.
Hi, baby. Hi, Cody. Hi. Hi, Cody. Hi, Cody. Hi.